Feeling overwhelmed by the stresses of daily life? Take a deep breath and join us for a soothing 10-minute guided meditation designed to help you unwind, refocus, and let go of tension. This short session is perfect for beginners and experienced meditators alike, offering you a peaceful escape from the chaos of the day. So, find a quiet spot, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey to relaxation together. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more calming meditations and stress relief tips. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of mindfulness. Now, let's begin. What we'll cover: preparing your mind and space breathing techniques for relaxation, letting go of tension. Step-by-step finding. Inner calm and balance ending with gratitude. 1. Preparing your mind and space. Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for stress relief. Begin by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight but relaxed. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you settle in, allow your mind to let go of any worries or to-do lists. This moment is for you. Breathing techniques for relaxation. Let's start with some focused breathing. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. And exhale slowly for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle a few times, feeling your body relax more with each breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. With every exhale, imagine releasing tension and negativity. Letting go of tension. Step by step now, bring your attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly scan down, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. Relax your forehead, your jaw, and your shoulders. Let them soften and drop. Move down to your chest and abdomen, allowing your breath to flow freely. Finally, relax your legs and feet, letting them feel heavy and grounded. Picture any remaining tension melting away like ice under the sun. Finding inner calm and balance. With your body relaxed, shift your focus to your mind. Imagine a peaceful place, perhaps a tranquil beach, a quiet forest, or a cozy room filled with soft light. Visualize yourself there, feeling safe and serene. Let your thoughts drift by like clouds in the sky, without judgment or attachment. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath or your peaceful place. Ending with gratitude. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to feel gratitude. Think of one thing, big or small, that brings you joy or comfort. It could be a loved one, a favorite activity, or even this moment of stillness. Let this feeling of gratitude fill your heart, leaving you refreshed and uplifted. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining this 10-minute guided meditation for stress relief. Remember, this practice is always here for you, whenever life feels overwhelming. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments how you feel after meditating. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindfulness sessions. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself.